Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide.
for the vehicles listed below.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Remove the factory cab mount bolt and bushing and lift your cab. Cut off the factory front cab mount. Step 3. Grind the work area down to bare metal, removing any rust and debris. Paint the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent future rust formation. Step 4. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place before welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Lower your cab and reinstall the cab mount bolt and bushing. Now get back out on the road.